Welcome children, welcome to Lakshmi Max Academy. Today I am going to explain you exercise 2.2 of class 7 Max in question number 3, because in my last lecture I explained about question number 1 and 2. Now we are going to see question number 3, how to solve the question number 3. Question number 3 is that multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. First we have to multiply, then we have to reduce to lowest form, then we have to convert into mixed fraction. So when you multiply, you will get in we can reduce to lowest form, and then if it is improper, then we can convert into mixed fraction. If not, we can write it in the same manner, right? First we will multiply. 7 multiply by 3 by 5. See, 7 multiply by 3 upon 5. So first you have to check both the denominator is not given, means you have to write it 1, denominator as 1. Multiplication is so simple, you have to multiply directly and write. Here you don't want to find LCM in this fraction. Just multiply directly, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, right? That way you multiply it. So 7 into 3, that is 7 into 3 is 21 upon 1 into 5 is 5. Here we could not convert into lowest form. We just multiplied 21 upon 5. 21 and 5 will not be divisible by any of the table, and we can write it in the mixed fraction, right? So 21 divided by 5, you will get into mixed fraction. So 4 5s are 20, remainder is 1. So this 4 will be written in the middle, and 1 will be on the numerator and 5 will be in the denominator. So now we convert that one into mixed fraction. Now question number 2. First one we have done, and question number 2. Question number 2 is that 4 multiply by 1 by 3. This is also very simple. 4 multiply by 1 by 3. 4 into 1 is 4 upon 3, right? Because denominator not there, means you have to take it as 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. So it is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 you can easily convert into mixed fraction, because 4 table by 3 is 1 time only, and the remainder is 1 upon 3. 1 by 3. The same way you can do all the sums like that only. Question number 3. 2 multiply by 6 by 7, right? 2 multiply by 6 by 7. So 2 into 6 is 12 upon, here denominator not there, so 1 into 7 is 7. Here also you could not reduce to lowest form, but we can write in mixed fraction. So 12 upon 7. 12 divided by 7 means 7 table 1 time only it comes. 12 minus 7 is 5. So the answer is 5 upon 7, like that. So rest of the sum, I hope you can do it by your own, because nothing difficult in this one. Suppose you had taken here, for example, 8th one. Question number 8. That is 20 multiply by 4 by 5, right? So 20 multiply by 4 by 5 means here denominator as 1. So 20 into 4 is 80 upon 5. Here you can reduce into lowest form, because 80 can be divisible by 5 and 5 can be, right? 1 5s are 5 and 16 5s are 80, right? So now you got answer is 16 upon 1. Also you can write it, otherwise 16 also you can write it like this. So here whichever number can be reduced, that you can reduce it. You could not reduce like this number, means you can write it in the mixed fraction. I hope question number 3 is clear for you. And question number 4, it's very simple. Shade 1 by 2 of circle in the box, right? So here in the box circle is there. 1 by 2 of circle in a box. Half of the part should be circled. Here how many circles are there, that you have to count it first. So 1 2 3, like that. 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 circles are there. Out of 12, half is exactly 6. So you have to circle the 6 circles. So if you circle it 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Half of the circle we circle. shaded, right? Shade 1 by 2 of the circle in the box, right? 12 circles are there. Out of 12 circles, 6 we shaded. And the question number 2, 2 by 3 of the triangle in the box. So here you have to check how many triangles are there. 9 are there, right? 2 by 3. So out of 9, 2 by 3 is how much? That you have to find out. So 2 by 3 of 9. Of 9 means multiplication only. 2 by 3 multiply by 9. So 1 3s are 3 3s are. We can cancel it. Diagonally we can cancel the fraction. Right? So 3 3s are. So 2 3s are 6. So how many triangle we have to shade? 2 by 3 of 9 is 6 for us. We find out 2 by 3 of 9 is how much? 2 by 3 of means it is multiplication only. So 2 by 3 multiply by 9 upon 1. So 3 and 3 will be 9 will be cancelled. You will get 6 as the answer. So you have to shade 6 triangles. Right? If you shade 6 triangles, 2 by 3 part. Otherwise, very simple way you can logically also you can use 3 set is there. Out of 3 set, 2 set has to be shade. Right? That way also you can do it. If you think logically, that is also correct. So triangles, 2 part should be out of 3 part may 2 part be shaded. And 3 by 5 of square in the box. Here also you can use the same logic here. 3 by 5 of squares in a box. So if you check how many squares are there, 1 2 3 4 5 out of 5. 3 parts should be shaded. Here also 5, here by also 5. Out of 5 may 3 should be shaded. So if it is like that, you can find out first value 3 by 5 of how many squares are there total? 1 2 3 4 5. Right? Like that 3 set is there. So 15 it is. So 3 by 5 of 15 means you can cancel diagonally. 1 5s are 3 5s are 3 3s are 9. So you have to shade 9 squares. So otherwise out of 5, 3 also you can shade it. Like that also you can do it. So it is 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3 and 1 2 and 3. So you count the squares. Shaded square 9. Here also we got the answer 9. So you can shade 9 square also directly. Otherwise you can find out and shade also. Got it? I hope this question number 4 is clear for you. And question number 5. Here also we are going to do the same method which we have done in question number 3. Right? But here they had given 1 by 2 of 24 46. Means you have to multiply this 1 by 2 with 24 also and 46 also. That is why they had given 2 subdivision. So 1 by 2 of 24. Again 1 by 2 of 46. Instead of giving like that, they had given 1 by 2 of 24 also and 46 also. So what the answer you will get? 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of 24. You have to find 1 by 2 of 24. So of 24 means it is multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiply by 24. So denominator is not there means 1. And then you can multiply directly. 1 into 24 is 24 upon 2 into 1 is 2. Right? Then you can cancel it. 1 2s are and 12 2s are 24. Now the answer is 12 for you. Got it? Again 1 by 2 of 46. 2 of 46. That is a question. So 1 by 2 of 46 means again multiplication only. So 1 by 2 multiply by 46. So here denominator is not there. So 1. It is 46 by 2. So 46 by 2 means we can cancel it with 2 table. So 1 2s are again 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So your answer is 23. I hope this sum is clear for you. The same method you are going to be use the whole sum. 2 by 3 of. You have to multiply with 18 also, with 27 also. Again 3 by 4 of means 3 by 4 should be multiplied with 16 also and 36 too. The same way 4 by 5 should be multiplied with 20 also and 35 also. Got it? And come to the question number 6. If you come to the question number 6, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. You have to multiply this one and express as a mixed fraction too. Right? So if we are solving, first we will multiply it, then we will express in the mixed fraction. Question number 1 is that A, that is 3 multiplied by 5 into 1 by 5. There is a question 3 multiplied by 5 into 1 by 5. That is 5 mixed fraction of 5. It is 5 mixed fraction of 5. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 3 multiplied by, what we will do? 5 into 5 plus 1. So 5 into 5 is 25 plus 1. So it is 26 by 5. Now it becomes the normal fraction multiplication. So directly you multiply it. Right? So 26 into 3. 26 into 3 is 78 by 5. Right? So 26 into 3 is 78 upon 5. Now we have to convert this one into mixed fraction. How we will convert? First divide the 78 by 5. So if you divide 78 by 5 in 7, how many times? 1 time 5 is there. So 5, and 7 minus 5 means it is 2, and then this 8 come down, 28. In 28, 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. Right? Now you can write in the mixed fraction. So your quotient should be in the mid 15, and your remainder on the numerator, and your divisor become your denominator. So the answer for this question is 15 3 by 5. Same way, one more question we will solve. I hope that will be more, then you will get clear concept. 5 multiplied by 6 into 3 by 4. What is the question? 5 multiplied by 6 into 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4. That is mixed fraction. First, what we have to do? Convert the mixed fraction to improper. So 5 multiplied by 6 4s are 24 plus 3, it is 27 upon 4. Here no denominator, so we are taking 1. So 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. Now you can multiply directly, right? 27 into 5. 135. 7 5s are 35. 3 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 upon 4. Now this 135 by 4 we could not reduce it, so we will divide and make it into mixed fraction. So 135 upon 5, sorry 4. So 4 we have to divide it. In 13, 3 4s are 12, right? So 13 minus 12 is 1, and this 5 come down, so it is 15. In 15 how many times? Again 3 4s are 12 only, and the remainder is 3. So what is the fraction comes? 33, remainder is 3 upon divisor is 4. So our answer is 33 3 by 4. I hope question number 5 is clear for you. Sorry, 6 is clear for you. Rest of the question also you have to solve the same manner. First convert the mixed fraction to improper, multiply it, then make it into lowest form. The same question only, but we have to multiply with 1 by 2 2 times. With 2 3 by 4 also, as well as 4 2 by 9 also. Okay dear, okay children. Now we are going to solve that one. Now 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. Question number 5. Question number 7 now. Question number 7 is that 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. Right? First convert the mix. Of means multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiply by 2 3 by 4. So it become, convert the mixed fraction into improper. So 2 3 by 4 means it is 1 by 2 multiply by 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. So when you multiply this one, 11 into 1 is 11 upon 2 into 4 is 8. Convert this one to improper. 11 when you divide by 8, it is only 1 time 8, and 11 minus 8 is 3 upon 8. So this is your required answer. I hope this sum is clear. And same 1 by 2 multiply with another number, that is 4 2 by 9. Right? So 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. That is a question. So of means multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiply by 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38 by 9. Okay children. And 1 into 38 is 38 and 9 into 2 is 18. So when you divide by 38, 18 2s are 36. So 2 time it will come, remainder 2 will be coming. So 2 upon 18. We can write it. Right? 38 when you divide by 18, 18 2s are 36, remainder is 2. Right? Now we can write 2 in the middle and the remainder 2 and the divisor is 18. And here also you can simplify. 1 2s are 9 2s are 18. So 2 1 by 9 also you can write it. Right? This is our required answer. So 1 by 2 of, they had given 2 fraction. We have done for 2 3 by 4 also, 4 2 by 9 also. We got the answer. Right? The same concept only you are going to be solved in question number B. I hope you can solve it. And question number 8, it's very simple question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water. Out of 5, 2 part is consumed by Vidya. So what about the Pratap part? Yes, exactly. It is how much Pratap has drank the water? 3 by 5, because total is 5. Out of 5, 2 part is drank by Vidya, means rest of the part is Pratap. That is 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 by 5 part will be consumed by Pratap. Now, how much water did Vidya drink? How much water Vidya drank? 2 by 5 of the water, total water. And what fraction total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Pratap, how much he drank? Exactly 3 by 5. That's all. Your exercise 2.2 is over. I hope all the sums are clear, and thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for the further notification. Thank you children.